Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like, share and subscribe La Educator. Today we will discuss very main topic of chemistry, that are numerical related to solutions. First of all, we have to look at the statement of numerical, and we have to find out the main values. We have to know what we have to find out in these numericals. There are 5 values which we have to find. Number 1, molarity. Number 2, number of moles. Number 3, mass of solute. Number 4, volume of solution. And number 5, molar mass. So the main problem is, how can we find these values? We can find out from their units. If the unit of any value is written in capital M, it represents the molarity. Mole represents the number of moles. If the value is in grams, it means that it is the mass of solute or mass in grams. If the value is in gram per mole, it represents molar mass of that compound. And if decimeter cube or centimeter cube are given, that represent volume of solution. So first of all, you have to note down the units of every value in the numerical, and from the units you can find out it represents which value. Now we have to see which formula are used in the numerical related to solutions. First formula is the formula of molarity, that is, molarity is equal to number of moles divided by decimeter cube of solution. If number of moles and decimeter cube of solutions are given, then you will apply this formula. If you have to find out number of moles, then you have to apply number of moles is equal to molarity multiplied by decimeter cube of solution. And if you have to find out volume of solution, then you have to apply volume of solution is equal to number of moles divided by molarity. Next formula that is used is number of moles is equal to mass in grams divided by molar mass. It will be applied in the case if mass in grams or molar mass is given. If you have to find out mass in gram, you will apply mass in gram is equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. And the third is, if you have to find molar mass by mass in grams and number of moles, then you have to apply molar mass is equal to mass in grams divided by number of moles. Third formula is molarity is equal to mass in grams divided by number of moles multiplied by 1000 divided by centimeter cube of solution. In this case, you have to find out that in the statement of numerical, if centimeter cube are given or decimeter cube are given. If centimeter cube are given, then you have to write it in this form. But if decimeter cube are given, then you have to convert decimeter cube into centimeter cube. And 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Then you will apply this formula of molarity if you have to find it mass in gram, number of moles, molarity or centimeter cube of solution. Fourth formula which is used is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1 represent given molarity and V1 represent given volume. M2 represent required molarity and V2 represent required volume. In these numerical, you have to clearly read out the statement and find out which are given and which are required. Then you have to apply the simple formula of M1V1 is equal to M2V2. In this case, centimeter or decimeter cube have no problem. If the value is given in centimeter cube, then you will use centimeter cube. And if the value is given in decimeter cube, then you will use decimeter cube. Now at the end we will see again which formula are used for in the numericals related to solutions. So main formulas are molarity is equal to number of moles divided by decimeter cube of solution. Number 2, number of moles is equal to mass in grams divided by molar mass. Number 3, molarity is equal to mass in grams divided by number of moles multiplied by 1000 divided by centimeter cube of solution. And number 4 is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. So you have to find, if you have to find molarity, number of moles, decimeter cube of solution, in these three values, you have to find out any one value, then you will apply first formula. If mass in grams, molar mass and number of moles, any one value from these you have to find out, then you will apply this formula. And if from molarity, mass in grams, number of moles or volume of solution, you will apply this formula. And if two molarities or two volumes are given, then you will have to apply this formula. So keep in mind all these points. You have to keep in mind only 5 values. You have to identify them from their units, and then you have to apply formula from any of these 4 formulas. Thank you.